This is your EZ Rom Ice. Okay, it's your knee brace with gel pack attachments to help reduce your swelling and your pain. Inside of the gel packs, they do have Velcro to keep the ice pack attached. So to put it on, you have your leg bent or you can have it extended. Bottom strap for your calf. You want that nice and snug. Top strap behind your thigh, back to the front. So to inflate, you want to make sure the switch is on. If the switch is on off, you will not be able to inflate. Hand pump, you squeeze about 10 to 15 times until the air bladder is compressed. Hand pump, squeeze until you feel the ice pack compressed towards your knee. Okay, so you squeeze it till you reach a level you're comfortable at. You don't want it too tight where it's causing you discomfort. There's a little button that releases the air. You push that down and that releases the air. If you want to use a brace just for the gel packs and the air compression, you can take the hinges off and you can just use it as ice pack.